Maritza Martinez, Five Senses, Science, for Dr. Carla Amaro Jimenez. I began my lesson by asking the students if they know about their five senses and to name them. If they did not, I went ahead and described each sense and what part of our bodies we use for each sense. I also began to read My Five Senses by Aliki.
Today we're going to talk about the five senses. Do you know how many senses you have? Five. Do you know them? Do you know their names? Do you know what sense this is? We see, we hear, we
smell,
we taste, and we
touch.
Good. I'm going to read you a story. It's My Five Senses by Aliki. See with my eyes. I can hear. I hear with my ears. I can smell. I smell with my nose. I can taste. I taste with my tongue. Good. I can touch. I touch with my and my fingers. Good. I do all of this with my senses. I have five senses. When there are five senses.
For my procedures, I was able to show the students flashcards with vocabulary words and read them out loud. I was also able to ask the students to tell me what sense they would use for the picture and to name a body part they would use for each sense. After discussing the five senses, I was able to talk about the five sense bucket. The students were able to feel each item and tell me what sense they were using, whether it was feel, see, taste, touch, or hear.
So this says touch. Good. This says taste. We taste with our mouth. This says smell. We smell with our nose. This says hear. We hear with our ears. And this says see. We see with our eyes. Good job. What is this? What is this? And what do we do with our nose? Smell. And what are these? What do we do with them? We touch. And this? Or a mouth. What do we do with it? We taste. Now I want you to close your eyes. Tell me what you hear. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't close. Do it again. It sounds like a beanbag. Emily, what do you hear? Water, you're right. This is called a rain. It's like a rain falling down, right? What you smell, okay? Rub your hands together. Put it to your nose. What do you smell? Stephanie? Strawberries. It's our hand sanitizer, what we use to clean our hands. Is it my strawberries? This with your fingers and tell me what you feel when you touch. Okay. David, eat it. You're going to tell me what you taste, okay? What kind of cookie? A brown cookie? What does it taste like? It's a sugar cookie. You're eating a sugar cookie. What do you feel? Try. Stephanie R? A shell. David, close your eyes. Smooth is a bumpy.
It's
Smooth. Your ears, and you. What do you do with your ears? You. What is this? And you taste it. Taste.
I eat it.
You
Smell a lot.
you smell with your nose.
Tree.
And
a rainbow.
Rainbow. Good, Emily. And what sense do you use when you
students were able to play the five senses game in a group, and each student will have to spin a spinner and find a matching card that matches the sense.
This is called the five senses game. We're going to have a spinner. We're all going to take turns. Sit on your bottoms. You're going to flick it with your finger, and if it lands on a picture of an ear, you have to find a picture like this, like an ear, or if you hear a bell, you have to find a picture of a bell or a clock, like this one. Okay?
A
A
nose.
nose. Can you find a picture of a nose or something that you smell with your nose?
For reteachings, the students will dance and sing to the song Five Senses by Dr. Jean. Each student will dance and sing as they use their hands for gestures for each sense.
Five senses that I use to help me learn each day. See, hear, smell, taste, touch. See, hear, smell, taste, touch.
For the closure of my lesson, the students will take a sheet with a picture of a person that has five senses on their body. They will go home and describe to their parents the five senses and what body part they use for each sense.
You're taking this, it says see. You're going to take this home and you can do this song at home with mommy and daddy, okay? And you can show them. So how many senses do you have? 5. Good job.
For the enrichment and extension, the students will take the five senses figure to take home and describe the five senses at home with their parents.